Hey everyone, if you want to create a professional resume using Microsoft Word in 2026, this video is for you. I'll show you step by step how to build a clean, modern, and job-ready resume from scratch. First, open Microsoft Word and choose a resume template. This helps you save time and gives you a professional structure instantly. Next, add your personal information like full name, phone number, email, and location. This is the most important section for recruiters. Now, write a short career objective. Keep it simple, clear, and focused on the job you are applying for. After that, add your work experience. Include job title, company name, and your key achievements in bullet points. Next, add your education and skills. Include relevant qualifications along with technical and soft skills. Now, format your resume properly. Use consistent fonts, spacing, and clear headings for a professional look. After that, add certifications or projects if you have them. This helps you stand out from other candidates. Finally, save your resume as a PDF. This keeps your formatting intact when sending it to employers. So yeah, that's how you create a professional resume in Microsoft Word in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you'll have a job-ready resume in minutes. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more career tutorials for fast and easy guides.